So channel once again guys, and today we're going to do the unboxing of a brand new guitar. Yes, we got this acoustic guitar today from Jaurez, or some people would like to call them Jaurez. So the guitar costs around 2000 rupees in Indian market, but we got it for around 1100 rupees. So I'm going to do the unboxing and show you what all things come with the guitar, the accessories and everything. So stay tuned till the end, and if you like the video, please let us know. Thank you. Hi friends, so if you're a music lover or a fan of an acoustic guitar in particular, then this 38-inch guitar from the house of Jaurez is a must buy. It's got a great quality and impeccable styling. These are some of the features, and it's manufactured by a leading brand obviously, so it's got a highly attractive look towards it. It's a very able acoustic guitar. The neck is made from a linden wood. The bridge is made from the plastic, and the fingerboard and the back material is made again from the linden wood. So the strings are made from nylon, or either it could be steel as well. So this one is particularly steel, and the side material is again made from linden. So it's got some features like linden binding, it's a geared tuning, it's a full wood construction, and like I said, it's got steel strings. Guitar perfectly fits in your hand, and it's a very lightweight guitar. It's got a very glossy look towards it, so it's shining throughout, and the wood is also very premium but a very thin wood, so making it very light and very easy to carry. Apart from the guitar bag that you get, which is a very normal bag, you also get some other accessories, like you get the strap, which you can use to tie the guitar while you can hold them properly while playing. And then you get some strings as well. So depending on your guitar model, if you have a nylon string or a steel string, you get a pair of strings as well, just in case you require them. Then you get some picks. So normally you get 3 picks, so you get a pair of picks that you can use it for playing the guitar. So once you get a new guitar, you may require to tune the guitar properly so you can start playing it. I'll try to show you something here. Alright, so we try to cover most of the part of the unboxing video for a brand new guitar. So we try to show you all the accessory that comes with the guitar and the guitar itself. If somebody is trying to buy a new guitar, it'll help them to understand what all things comes as a package. I'd like to mention that the price of the guitar comes around 2000 rupees or more than that whenever I seen on the online website. But one of my friend got it directly from the company or directly from the warehouse. So if you have somebody who can directly get it from there, please do it, because I got it only for 1100 rupees. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if at all there are any comments for me, please let me know.